Welcome to Guiditation's Forest Bathing Relaxation Session. I'm here to guide you through a serene journey amidst the tranquil beauty of an ancient forest. Let's connect with the calming energy of nature together. Before we immerse ourselves in the forest's tranquility, find a quiet place where you can comfortably sit or lie down. Allow your body to relax fully in this space, feeling supported and at ease. Close your eyes gently and turn your focus to your breath. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension you might be holding. Continue to breathe deeply, feeling each breath calming and grounding you further. Picture yourself walking into a beautiful green forest. The air smells fresh, filled with scent of the trees. Take one more deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Hear the sound of the wind and the leaves moving. With every breath, you feel more relaxed. Imagine the sounds of the forest making you feel calm and happy. Each breath in gives you energy, and each breath out makes you more relaxed. See the sun shining through the trees, making patterns on the ground. Look at the colors around you, the green leaves, brown trees, and light dancing everywhere. Breathe in the clean air and feel refreshed. Now, picture yourself discovering a gentle stream. Take a seat or stand beside it, absorbing the tranquil sound of flowing water. Envision the stream washing away all your concerns. Surrounded by the forest, you find a sense of safety and serenity. In these quiet moments, hold on to the peaceful feeling the forest has given you. Imagine taking a deep breath of that fresh forest air one more time, filling you with calm energy. Now, very slowly, start to bring your awareness back to where you are. Begin by wiggling your toes and fingers gently, feeling your body waking up from this serene journey. When you feel ready, gently roll your shoulders, nod your head up and down, side to side, feeling fully present in your body. Open your eyes slowly, taking in your surroundings. Allow yourself a moment to adjust. You might stretch your arms and legs if that feels good. Remember, the tranquility of the forest is always within you, a peaceful sanctuary you can return to anytime you need. Thank you sincerely for joining me in this forest bathing relaxation meditation. Your participation and presence in this journey are deeply appreciated. I hope you carry the calmness and peace from the forest into your day or night. Until next time, take care and be well.